Welcome to Gossip Big TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Gossip Big TV. God bless you. My people, Alex Ekubo father don't finally cry to his family members. Alex Ekubo papa don't finally talk. The man don't open mouth. Hey! Alex Ekubo spirit na he dey fight this battle. Make una carry una shoe, carry una slippers comot for road. All of una wey dey talk say this matter let it go. This matter no dey go. Na Alex Ekubo na he dey fight. Let him fight. He dey alive, una close him mouth. He don still kpai, una wan close him mouth? No, I don't think so. Alex Ekubo is fighting the battle. Na because say the family no talk for social media again. If you know what is happening behind closed door, you go know say Alex Ekubo refuse to remain silent. There are too many evil in his father's house. Papa Alex Ekubo dey cry. This man dey cry. This man don't cry, come outside. He say he want to buy, he won't follow his son. He say what is he living for? What is he living for? This man now, they say his condition is critical. This stepmother did not tell any of his family member. He not explain, give them say Papa Alex Ekubo see wetin dey cry for. He lock this man put for his house. If una hear this story, you go understand the reason why it makes some women say, I will bear in my husband's house. I go there, I go suffer because of my children. Una know say most mothers then, they will say, I will bear this marriage because of my children. Maybe then, most of them don't see, say, they no go agree me they carry their children come out. Now it make them, they say they go bear. Who knows? Then, there was no voice, there was no social media to cry out like this. Now anybody do you any husband, family, husband, mama, wife, family, do you any? If you cry, come out for social media, say that thing not true. Justice go reach your domot under 5 minutes. You no need to call police number, call social media number. It's faster than any other thing. This man, Alex Ekubo papa, now know say when his daughter do marriage, the man no fit go. That is how critical this man condition is. Now Alex go represent the papa. Now, Alex Ekubo burial, his papa no still go. Now one of their family member, now one of their family member, now go represent Papa Alex Ekubo. Now, since when they come tell this man say Alex Ekubo bye, they say the man not be himself again. They say the man condition critical. The man they shout, they cry every day, they shout, they cry every day. This woman no gree tell anybody. Luckily for this man, all the family members, they say me they go visit him because he lost his son. He can't come to the village. It's not okay. Let them go and see him. Now they can't go this my house. They can't go Papa Alex Ekubo house. As they reach Papa Alex Ekubo house, they say all of them sit down. This woman did not give them one space. Now so he sit down. You know, all this because the man they wheelchair. Alex Ekubo papa na wheelchair dey. This woman sit down for back of the husband like this, carry chair, sit down. They look the husband, they look the family member. The family members come, they ask her, how you dey? You dey okay? The man, they shake head. But the family member can't notice, say that man is not okay. The man, they do eye for them. He go, they give them sign with hand. He go, they use leg, they touch he brothers. Oh, God. Hey! You see men, when they advise una say, stay with your wife, una no dey hear. Old age, Old age, una go hear am. E come dey use leg, dey shake, dey hit his brothers. They use leg, dey hit them, go dey do hand, go dey do eye. Now those one can't get sign, thank God. Say people wey go there, they get sense. All those one can't get sign, say something is not right. Like this, their brother is trying to tell them something. Now they can't say, they can't they thank that woman just to deceive her whether she go gree go. Say, you dey really take care of our brother. We don't know say our brother is very okay like this. See the way they shine, see the way they glow. You know, even be like person wey dey wheelchair, They call they praise this woman. This woman say, they answer with nose. And all that make they do, make they come out. After, now one Alex Ekubo brother, according to them, he say no, say their brother no fear escort them. Now we share it. So it be like that. It be like say that is the only chance when this man get with the fit help. Now this brother say, now he call tell brother say, as we come so, we carry something come from village. We go put the thing for ground now. That thing, you go take everybody face for here. We go carry the thing go village. Make that thing go tell us what happened to Alice. Now they come pack juju things, they come outside. Now dear mama, Alice Ekubo step. Now dear Alice Ekubo stepmother say, no, she not Christian. She not fit see all this kind of thing. She not fit do one. Now lie. Now that one way here say they'll carry the thing, go village, go expose the person face. When she hear, now she won't run. She can't come out for that place. As he come out, now they ask their brother, okay. Now their brother say, make them save him. He say, make them save him. He say, Alex Ekubo don't go now. He say, na he be next. He say, na he be next. He said, this woman has succeeded in everything. He said, this woman don't succeed. He said, make the help him. He said, make his family members help him. If it be like this, he not go forgive them. He not go forgive them if they suffer. This woman doing something. This woman doing something. It's not like this now. Una know. It's not like this. This woman doing something. You know the feel they talk. You know the feel say anything. For a very old eye, they buy his son. You know if he talk. You know if he do anything. He said, no, say, you know get generation again. His lineage don't close. Now this age, now he won't come born. Wait till he won't born for this age. They don't close the lineage. This woman has finally closed his lineage. He has nobody after him. If he by now, he don't go. No son. No son. He says, since when this woman go carry these children, we don't know where for carry come. He said, now this woman don't they tell her if they quarrel. He go tell her, say that as you they reject these children, so that boy who you put her, he go fail you. He said, now wait till they tell her. It is a quarrel. You don't know, say na reality. He said, make your family members help her. Make the helpers. It's where Alex Ekubo by. The kind thing where they go through not be here. Every day Alex Ekubo spirits they appear given, he go they cry. Oh, Papa Alex Ekubo, this man talk oh. Only say the man no see time to talk finish. The one way quick can't say talk. Now he tell them. He say they under bondage. I beg, may they save her. May they save her. He say sickness where they sick now. This woman put on for your body. Make it chief for fit take control. He say he pension. For those of you that don't know, Papa Alex Ekubo is a very rich man. He dey work for oil and gas company. He's a very rich man. And for Olosho Road, now he go carry this woman. As he carry this woman see the riches, he enter house. But should the Mama Alex Ekubo come for us, she go enter house. According to wetin the man talk, he get to a point where he eye can declare. He call say make this woman come up for a house. He won't go carry wife come. Say na Ashawo Road now for carry you. Now there on a relationship suppose end. How come you can't be housewife? Now the man say no. You must return back. He won't go bring your wife come house. He say now from that day now sickness hit him. He no see leg take come up for his house again. He no come they talk about go bring your wife come. Now make God heal her. Now he come dey. He say from that day the condition can begin the worst. Nothing do am. Nothing do am. He just sleep, wake up, now he see himself. Every day by day, his condition can the worst. Before you know, he no feel the waka again. There was a time he no even feel the talk. That was the time he caught this woman with another man for us. He no feel the talk. He tell his elders, he say make them save him. He say they under bondage. Everything where they happen to her, now this woman they do. Now this woman they do. If you want talk, you know they feel the talk. You don't know what he make and they feel open mouth today. Make una save her. He never quick this man they talk finish. And so the woman jump come outside. You know guilty conscious people. She run come outside. make it not be say the man can expose a secret. Now he come. Now never do finish. Una never do finish. Now they say they don't do finish. No be small thing, no. Now from there, now the family. Since that day when they go visit Papa Alex Ekubo. Now this family, every time they the same people go check on Papa Alex Ekubo. Now the stepmother say no one see family member. Now they say if you no want see you come out. Now their brother get house. He say but their brother say he no want see anybody. Now they say their brother no dey in condition when he want to talk. You don't finally put on for which hair. You finally make this man become a full vegetable. What else? What else is a new sign that they need to see before they know say na your hand now they destroy their family? A whole educated engineer, a gas and oil. See as you turn out. Now you can they take over your money, over all the property, over everything under this man. My people, una never even hear the story finish. I never even give una the details. But before I go into that, welcome to Gossip Big TV. I beg if you dey watch my video, you never subscribe. Subscription are free, they know they pay. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up for my video. God bless you. To my wonderful and amazing subscriber, may Almighty God bless you all, and I love you all. My people, not be smart, you know. This whole problem, wetin start am, wey lead to Alex Ekubo RIP, wey put this man for wheelchair, when he make this woman start to dey commit evil for that house. Make una carry share, carry joko. Now here's story for start. So, according to wetin they talk, Alex Ekubo father decided to will all his property to his son, Alex Ekubo, as the only son when he gets. He constantly leaves some property for the sister. Now Alex Ekubo mother can say, what about the adopted children? Now Alex Ekubo papa can tell this woman, say, he don't know where you go carry children come. You say you want children, you want children. One day you go carry children come as you say you don't adopt children. He don't know the origin. He don't know where children for come. He don't know anything about them. And we know they their Igbo culture. He don't know anything about these children. If now you carry belle born they come, he different. You carry they come here, say you adopt children. He know they do that kind one. Now he say, now Papa Alex Ekubo say, he go leave something for them, but not property. If he leave money, it's okay, this money for this one account, this money for this one account, make the start life. But he can never leave the property that is made for his children, his grandchildren, which Alex Ekubo will give to him. He will never leave those property to a stranger. To him, these are stranger. Even if you adopted them, putting his name without his consent, fine. But he's going to leave his property for his son. He gets son. Why will he carry property for a stranger name when he have a son? It is left for Alex Ekubo to decide if he will leave the property for those children. But for him as a father, he will hand over everything to Alex Ekubo. Now the stepmother say, now the master na so the culture, na so for him mind, na so in thinker. Now the woman not talk, he say, fine. Now from there, now she start her evil agenda. Papa Alex Ekubo say from there, this woman started acting strange. He said, but he did not take it serious. That was his mistake. Now there now he for suppose to the control this woman. But he no think reach anything. He said from there, this woman and Alex Ekubo were not that close. Now waiting Papa Alex Ekubo talk. He said they were not that close. He said this woman and his son. He said they were never close. They do stepmother and stepson, but Alex not too fancy this woman like that. He said, come surprise. This woman and Alex Ekubo can be 5 and 6. They can't date so close. He said, dear spirit can they tell and say, this closeness, he get as he be. He said, now he can't call Alex Ekubo one day, can they tell Alex Ekubo, say, this is your stepmother. He said, yes. He said, be very careful. Alex Ekubo say, why? He don't say your stepmother is a bad person, but be very watchful. Because the kind way your stepmother now adores you like a king, he no buy the idea. Alex Ekubo papa say, wetin he no know be say this woman heard him when he was talking and advising his children that no matter what, Alex Ekubo should remember that Chioma is his only biological sister. Chioma comes first in everything. And Chioma, Alex Ekubo is your only brother. Alex Ekubo comes first in everything. So those words, when he hear, come provoke him. So those words, when Alex Ekubo's stepmother here, he come provoke him. Now the woman take immediate action. The action he took was that he come put sickness for Alex Ekubo papa body. He come look and say na normal sickness. Now he take stay house so that day. He said before the next day, leg don dey swell up. Leg don dey swell up. If you go hospital, they go say na this, they go say na that, they go say na this. Tomorrow they'll say they don't see anything. Now so he take enter wheelchair. As he enter wheelchair, brain, everything gone. He no even fit on the talk. And the grace of God now he can restore his voice. Say now so this woman they end up become vegetable. Everything with this woman they talking the year he know the whole secret of this woman. But because he's in a wheelchair, and sometimes this woman they give him some kind things, he go drink, he no even know where he did for 3 days. That is how strange this thing is. So Alex Ekubo papa say, after they don't do Alex Ekubo burial, he said this woman open mouth, this woman tell and say, where the boy will want to inherit the property now? Where the boy? Where the generation where you they work hard? My grandson, my grandchildren want to work hard for them. He said, now wait till this woman tell him. Where are the grandson now that want to inherit property? You'll be fighting for property, fighting all your life for property. Oh, my son, my son, my son. Everything, my son, my son, my son. Una see and say the jealousy is there. Because this man loves his son, is his only son. This woman was already jealous. All this why, when the man they say, my son, my son. Hey, now I understand why our mama those days go say, I'm not leaving the marriage because of my children. This story will make you to understand why many women remain in toxic marriage because of their children. It's every time your children, every time Alex, my grandchildren, my great-grandchildren. He say Alex Ekubo won't carry the property now. I bet you won't go put them for inside grave. He says, see as you sit down for them now. Now this son when you go adopt come, when you use mouth to chop, now you won't go adopt, now you won't go inherit the property. Now you won't go carry property. He said now he tell Alex Ekubo stepmother say, that one no go happen. As Alex Ekubo no dey, he go give am to his family members. He will give everything to his sister. Make his sister carry. He say he go carry everything, go give Alex Ekubo junior sister. Make Alex Ekubo sister carry all the property. For him to leave that property for these children. This man say, wait, they talk that word. 1 week, he no fit talk. He no fit talk. Everybody will come greet and they do, They say, oh, his sickness is not serious again. He say, now this woman. He say, now this woman. He said, this woman, they treat her bad. If you see people, they come, they do like, say, oh, she's too good. He said, nothing with this woman, no, they do. See, this woman, they treat her bad. See, make family members save her. If they save her more. He said, the woman tell her, say, Alex Ekubo don't go now. Say, na him be next. After all, if he buy now, they'll say, oh, he couldn't survive the RIP of his son. He said, now wait till this woman tell her. He said, that property where he cry for, when they use it, they make younger when he young. He said, see, Anana, this stepson, I go carry everything. He said, even that your daughter, I know go see carry. He said, for your daughter to carry that property, go join a brother. He said, now I talk her. She Jane, I talk her. Hey! My people, the mass made the save more. He said, now he be next. See the woman every time they tell her, say, you go soon go join your pikin. Make 12 and go they drag property for that side. He said, now wait till this woman they tell her. Men, stay with your wife for another year. This woman must surely be bitter. He dey with you, belle no carry pikin no born. The woman not born all these years waiting there with you. Meanwhile, you get pikin. So these women are always bitter. One way or the other, they are not always happy. Woman never wish Alex Ekubo well. Everything where Alex Ekubo was supposed to do for his mama, they call it do for this woman. Everything. Papa Alex Ekubo say me family member and me they not live for you. Me they bring person come where they trust me because they stay with her. We go feed they tell the family waiting they happen. Say because this woman wants him to go. They want to buy him. Hey, my lovely fans, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Gossip Big TV. God bless you.